Once upon a time, it was one of the coldest nights in New York City. People rushed through the streets, trying to escape the freezing air. But no one noticed the homeless man standing outside a store, barefoot. What happened next was not planned, not filmed, not staged. It was real, and it changed millions of hearts around the world. The year was 2012. Winter had tightened its grip on New York City. Temperatures had dropped below freezing. People wore thick coats, scarves, gloves. Everyone was focused on one thing: getting warm. Outside a busy store in Manhattan stood a homeless man. No shoes, no socks. His feet were swollen, cracked, and bleeding from the icy pavement. People passed him by. Some looked away. Some pretended not to see him. The homeless man didn't beg. He didn't shout. He didn't chase anyone. He just stood there silently, trying to survive the cold. His shoes had been stolen days earlier. Walking barefoot had become normal. Pain had become familiar. Cold nights were no longer frightening. They were routine. A New York police officer named Lawrence DePrimo was on duty that night. Like everyone else, he was used to seeing homeless people. But something stopped him. The officer noticed the man's feet, bare, frozen, wounded. Officer DePrimo walked closer and asked gently, "Where are your shoes?" The homeless man replied quietly, "I had shoes, but they were stolen." No anger, no complaint, just acceptance. Officer DePrimo looked at the man's feet again. Then he did something unexpected. He walked into a nearby shoe store. Inside, he bought a pair of warm winter boots and thick socks with his own money. He came back outside. In the middle of the freezing sidewalk, the officer knelt down and gently put the boots on the homeless man's feet. People watched quietly. No speeches, no cameras, just a moment of pure humanity. Unknown to the officer, a woman nearby took a photograph of that moment. Later, she posted it online. Within hours, the photo spread across the world. Millions of people saw it. News channels shared it. Social media exploded. Not because it was dramatic, but because it was real. Officer DePrimo never expected attention. He said later, "I was just doing what I felt was right." The homeless man never asked for fame, never asked for money. He only received warmth and dignity. That night, a pair of boots did more than protect feet. They reminded the world of something important. Sometimes people don't need saving. They don't need judgment. They need kindness. They need to be seen. This really happened in a real city, on a real night, with real people. One small act of kindness proved that humanity still exists. This story is based on a real incident that happened in New York City in 2012. If this true story touched your heart, if it reminded you that kindness still exists, then you're not alone. On this channel, we share emotional stories, stories of humanity, struggle, and hope that actually happened in the real world. To watch more true stories like this, stories that make us feel human again, subscribe to the channel and keep kindness alive.